Welcome to Voices of IDAC, where we speak to designers, architects, and industry leaders about how design can impact and create beautiful spaces for people and for planet. Joining us today are Divya and Rahul from the Lucknow Adani Airport. Welcome, Shu. Yes. So tell me, what is this one daily problem in Indian cities that design still doesn't solve?
Divya, would you like to?
What design doesn't solve is the I would say ethics, public ethics,
Okay.
because it is something which has to be taught to the people.
Right.
We can design very beautiful pieces of architecture, and the world would be a very nice place.
Yes.
But then to actually maintain them and to honor it, I think the public needs to upgrade themselves as
That's a
well.
perfect reply for that question. I think really we need to
Yeah.
be more conscious as people to
Definitely,
maintain the
definitely.
architecture and beautiful designs that are
Definitely.
come
I'm
up
sure.
with the
I'm sure.
design fraternity. Would you like to add something?
Yes. Basically, we can design anything, but the second problem in the industry is whom we are going for the build.
Right.
And building capacity is not means as expected in India.
Right.
That is the secondary issue, apart from the Divya's
Yes.
highlight.
Yeah.
Agreed. Absolutely.
The quality is a major factor.
Yes, absolutely. So, going back to the questions, when projects affect thousands of people, how does responsibility of design change in terms of sustainability?
Well, sustainability is a very dear topic to ourselves as well,
Yes.
because at Lucknow Airport we try and optimize and go for all the compliances which are related to sustainable,
Okay.
and we try and solve them in terms of innovative green technologies.
Wow.
We try and mitigate as per the Griha norms, ASHRAE norms, IGBC norms.
Okay.
So all these norms pretty much help us and keep a check on our ecological footprints, which as if I must say, as operators or as public entities like the airports, we have a huge carbon impact.
Yes, I
So
agree.
to keep that in check, I think yes, definitely it has to start from the design as well. So in the design, if elements of critical thinking, critical design thinking, and sustainability in terms of the materiality, the technology, and the landscape element.
So it's like a full circle.
It is a full circle. Like
you
everything has to fall into place.
place, yes.
Yes.
One
Yes.
feature you guys have incorporated in Lucknow Airport. like,
Recently, with Sir's guidance, we have incorporated a liquid tree.
oh,
So liquid tree is a kind of a tree which does artificial photobioreactors. They are artificial photobioreactors, and they generate oxygen through the process of photosynthesis by introducing algae in water. Because at a lot of places you cannot plant trees, and trees take a lot of time to maintain, and are not to maintain them at such high performance or operational areas. It is a very tedious task,
Right.
right? Because a lot of norms come into places and there are restrictions as well while operating. So such kind of solutions are very like futuristic, and you will be very excited to know that one particular liquid tree is able to produce oxygen as equivalent to 6 mature trees.
Wow, that is phenomenal.
Yes, it
number.
is.
So this is
We are the
something
first
so
airport.
futuristic.
We are the first airport in India
That is
to do that,
phenomenal.
and it recently got installed,
Wow.
and it is doing really well. So we are trying to multiply them in terms of numbers and provide better AQI for the passengers who commute,
This
and
is-
also
I
educate
think
them.
with all the air quality going down,
Yes.
like especially in metros,
Yeah.
I think this is such a unique idea to just mimic mature trees, get the AQIs
Yes,
higher. It's
yes.
a brilliant way to incorporate
It is because you
amazing.
cannot plant so many trees, but yes, definitely you can come up with other substitutes as well.
Yes, of course. And in places like airports, especially because when you have so much of footfall,
I'm
I
sure.
think it makes much more sense to
It
have
shows.
technology.
Yeah,
incorporated.
it has a passive impact on our HVAC system as well. So yeah, we are
Fantastic.
taking steps for such.
basically the idea is coming from the sea.
Okay.
So whenever the earth is matured enough for the life, so the main oxygen is generated from the seas.
Algae,
Oh,
sea algae.
sea algae.
This is
Ah.
this is happening right now as well.
Wow.
So whatever the trees producing oxygen, more than that,
The sea is.
Sea is.
This is new information for
Yeah,
us.
yeah.
that's why we introduce, because this is happened first in Siberia.
Okay.
Because of the too much pollution, they innovate this product, and I was searching if anyone available in India
India to
can.
do it.
Yeah.
So then we found one person and we implemented it.
This is brilliant technology. I think all the airports should take inspiration and
I'm sure they will follow our lead.
Yes, of course. Okay, so tell me, what's one design decision that in large projects affects the daily life of most people?
I think as he is the head of the department,
Okay.
it would be a good question for him to answer.
So why don't you tell us?
So, see, as we are maturing in the industry, we have to mature our way of working. So, if our way of working is mature, then that will not impact on the many people's life. So, what I learned from my past experience, because I have worked in Middle East for a long period.
Yes.
So basically, what they did, what they changed in their industry. So the difference is we don't have any information about the site, about the building, about the anything which we are going to construct in the future. They gather all the information together, and they are creating a base benchmarks. So whenever they have to decide for the particular site, they have all the information and they can decide immediately whether this project is happening
Or
or not.
not? Wow.
But on the other side, in India, we are exploring that option
Option.
after design. So that's why the many thing is happening to the people, which is onboarded after that. But recently, what we adopted, we actually scan all the airports which we have. All airports scan 3D models, whether it's the
Why?
information is above ground or lower
Oh,
ground,
wow.
and we are going up to the 20-meter down
Amazing
to get the information.
information.
So whatever the information we are capturing through the scanners, we are converting them to the 3D models, and after that, the life will be very easy.
Easy.
This side.
Yes, understand.
See,
Whether we have to go for
we
the
have
product or
to
not.
be digitally this we have to acknowledge and accept digital dexterity.
Yes.
ठीक है, तो I don't think there is a future up away from it. So rather to run the other way around, it is to run towards it, educate ourselves, upgrade
Yes.
ourselves. Upskilling is the
That's
only
the
way
only
forward.
way forward. Absolutely,
yeah,
totally agree. So tell me, what are the two sustainable materials you think every building or interior should start using more often? Like which sustainable material you think is
Plants,
plants? Yes.
more of plants.
More of
The more the merrier.
It's a landscape package.
Yes,
So my favorite material is plants,
plant.
definitely. And then secondly is indigenous, materials which are very local,
Okay.
right? And if we kind of also go back to the architectural practices happening in like the past centuries, right? If we could please go there, then we would also understand how they were so capable enough to make climatically acceptable buildings.
Yes.
So which we aren't currently doing.
They were sustainable long before
Yes,
we
they were.
got concrete into our architecture,
Because
you know.
if you go to Lucknow also, it's a pristine example of the previous styles of architecture with the Hindu and Islamic coming together, and still it is all mesmerizing right now. So yeah, I would be a patriot of the older
Older
versions.
construction, yes. Why not?
Yes, yes.
So I think we can explore the other options in terms of materiality. So basically, there are lots of product which is coming up from the waste materials.
Exactly.
So one of them is plastic waste materials,
Right.
blocks
Recycling.
that is in the industry. I think that we have to use more.
More.
Yes.
Even the waste material of our agriculture,
Yes.
Absolutely.
which they are actually burning
Yes.
on the side, but
That's the biggest pollution cause.
that we can reuse to the construction material and we can use that product here.
100%. Okay, thank you so much for your
You're welcome.
insights and thank you for joining us at Voices of IDAC.
Thank you. Thank you so
It
much.
was a pleasure having you.
Same here. Same here. Thank you.
Great spaces are not just about designing or materials, they are about people, thoughtfulness, and responsibility. Thank you for joining us at Voices of IDAC.